This is a methaphone. No, this isn't a phone. It's a block of acrylic pretending to be one, and it's gone crazy viral. They call it the Methaphone, a fake transparent phone designed to break your screen addiction. At first, I thought it was a joke, but then I realized I reach for my phone like 60 times a day without even thinking. So I tried it for one whole day. No real phone, just this clear, lifeless rectangle in my pocket. Waiting in line, reached for it. In bed, reached for it. Bored, reached. Every single time. And every time I grabbed it, I got nothing. No dopamine hit, no Instagram scroll, no notifications, just me. And the realization that I'm a total zombie. Honestly, it was kind of freeing. I talked more, noticed things, even felt bored in a good way, like actual thinking time. The Methaphone isn't magic, but it tricks your brain into pausing. And that pause, it's powerful. Would I use it every day? No. But for one day, it reminded me that I'm not my screen. And honestly, that's worth holding on to. Subscribe for more tech experiments.